Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I'm Maricelo Cariaga, 35 years old, single mother, and I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. I'm graduate of high school. I have no work experience, but as a domestic helper, but as a mother, I do cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, and especially taking care of my kids.
Okay. And you mentioned that you have 3 children.
Yes, sir.
How old are they?
17 years old, 15 years old, and 3 years old.
Okay. And who's going to take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My parents and my sister will take care of my children while I work in Hong Kong.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to finish her study of my kids and to keep money to our future.
Okay. And are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared to big dogs?
Yes, sir.
And can you sing one children's song for us?
Yes, sir. Up to the ceiling, down to the floor, right to the window, left to the door. Mama kiss me, Papa loves me, for I know my ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time would sing with me.
Okay. And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me as your helper because I am hardworking, patient, and beloved. And beloved, take care of your families.
Thank you very much, Maricel Cariaga, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.